In this video, I will show you how to fix text direction in Google Docs. Whether you want to type in a left-to-right language like English or a right-to-left language like Arabic or Hebrew, or if you accidentally change the text direction, I'll share two simple methods to fix it. Method 1. The Common Alignment Method. Open your document and select the text you want to fix. If you want to select the entire document, press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac. Now, go to the Format menu, then click Align and Indent. Choose left, right, or center alignment based on your preference. And that's it. Your text direction is now fixed. Method 2, the professional way. Open Google Docs main panel. Click on the menu, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then select Settings. Look for the option Always Show Right-to-Left Controls. Check the box and click OK to apply the changes. Now, open your document again. In the Format menu, you'll see 2 new options: left-to-right text, right-to-left text. Select the text you want to fix and apply the correct direction. And that's it. Now you can easily adjust the text direction in Google Docs using these 2 methods. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment "I subscribed" so I can personally thank you in the comments. Thanks for watching and take care.